Rasa dia tak macam apa yang kita nampak. Dia hitam kan, tapi rasa dia really nice. Kita dah sampai di Split. Look at Split. Split ni adalah sebuah bandar yang antara yang terbesar di Croatia. So we are meeting our guide, nama dia Maya. She's gonna show us around the city.
Then the central part was the religious part of the palace. Split is as well among the older towns here on the coast of the Adriatic. We say that the history started in the 4th century after Christ, thanks to the Roman Emperor Diocletian, who sent to be built his retirement home in this bay.
I'm going to show you the smallest lane here. Diorang panggil dia let me pass. So kecil sangat, let me pass. So siapa yang nak jalan nak kena cakap let me pass. Oh, sisa-sisa Roman Empire. This is the masjid?
Yeah, this is masjid.
I just want to know how many Muslims are here in Split.
Splitu je prema popisu stanovništva na nivou države, imamo popis, imamo pokazatelje, evo, ićemo redom.
So, according to census in Croatia there are 63,000 Muslims, in Split there is something less than 1,000 Muslims, and in the county of Split Dalmatia it's about 2,000.
Ovdje su zajednice gdje imaju.
So he's showing you the communities, Islamic communities around Croatia, and Croatian community, it's not the largest one, so actually the Islamic community of Croatia has the priority list. So
Bravo, odlično.
now they are building the new community center in
džamije,
Sisak, and here they are building the new community center here. It's as well not just about the local level, it's about as well
the national level. But the whole of Croatia use there's four mosques in Croatia.
Gradi se ovo peta.
And this is the 5th one that is being built.
They built. Okay. Imam tadi sebenarnya berasal daripada Bosnia. Dia sebenarnya di sini mereka sedang mencari jalan untuk membina masjid yang rasmi di Split. Di Croatia ada 4 saja masjid, tapi di Split tidak ada. Jadi mereka sedang berusaha untuk menjadikan itu satu realiti. Kita nak makan seafood. Diorang serve kita macam ni, very interesting. Satu ada black risotto, the other one is seafood risotto. I nak try the black risotto first. Actually, I tengok je makan, seram nak makan. Definitely dia punya rasa dia tak macam apa yang kita nampak. Dia hitam kan, tapi rasa dia really nice. Sekarang saya nak ambil the seafood risotto. So rasa tengok apa dia punya beza dia. Okay lah. Jadi this is more to our Asian taste. This one, pasal apa dia punya seafood dia memang betul-betul dapat rasa. This one I think you kalau tak biasa, you better try this lah. Anyway, kita kat sini nak cuba makanan diorang kan, so we should try. Bila matahari naik, cantik betul bandar Split ini. So Jimmy pun nak split daripada sini, dan kita akan bergerak ke bandar yang lagi satu di Croatia.
Ragusa, it's a Latin name of Dubrovnik, but Croatian name it's Dubrava, oak forest.
I see.
Yes.
It's so windy here.
Yes,
it's
that's the reason. We have here very strong wind, the bura, very cold wind, and all viruses are going They are killing.
blown it away.
Yes, well, you can imagine in those times, in
see.
the medieval time, all
Right.
diseases. It was like a quarantine here. They have a quarantine outside.
I see.
One of the first quarantines in the world, but still, this was all very good organized.
You're just
Dubrovnik became very famous after the Game of Thrones, known as the Walk of Shame steps. Walk of Shame fame scene in the Game of Thrones was filmed here.
Bandar Dubrovnik ini mengikut sejarahnya bandar orang aristokratik, orang kaya-kaya, orang ternama. Very interesting city, banyak sangat sejarah. Kita pun ada satu masjid di sini. Look at our dinner place by the harbour, dekat dengan city wall. Sejuk-sejuk makan ini. Crayfish.
And again cheese.
Tadi rupanya appetizer. So sekarang dia give us this. Ini segar daripada laut. Dia punya ikan tadi punya dah sedap. They got my name. Bila saya masuk, dah lah kita dapat makanan kan. Saya on TV, dia tulis nama saya lagi. Oh, impressive, impressive. Okay guys, I want to show you my view. The hotel in Dubrovnik. Tengok tu, ya Allah, punyalah cantik. I'm so near the sea. Ya Allah, cantiknya. So I'm in Dubrovnik, Croatia. All the houses are by the coastal area. It's so beautiful, this city. We're from Zagreb, Split, and then now we are here in Dubrovnik. It's just beautiful. Okay, daripada Dubrovnik ni, kita akan bergerak ke Montenegro. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum dari sini.